Okay, I have a spring cleaning tip for you guys. First of all, I want you to know that this stuff came out of my dryer. Now, I do go in and I clean out my lint trap on a regular basis, but this stuff was down below. So the trap doesn't always do a great job, and the problem is if you don't clean your dryer out on a regular basis, it becomes a fire hazard. A lot of household fires do start right here in the dryer. All this lint gets in there, it heats up, it ignites. Next thing you know, you have a house fire. So, introducing the Dust Daisy dryer vent cleaner. We call it the Dust Daisy because of its unique and adorable design. It actually looks like a daisy. And this is the top that will stretch to fit over any vacuum. You just slip it over your vacuum. And in no time, you could be cleaning out that vent. So it'll stretch over like so. And then all you do is you turn on your vacuum, you take the trap out, and then this end has a custom lint cling. So these little fringes reach in. When you dip it down into the dryer, it loosens all the lint up that's stuck on the wall of the dryer as well. And that'll drop to the bottom, and then with the hose, you can suck up all the lint out of the bottom and keep your dryer nice and clean. So yeah, that's our tip, Dust Daisy Dryer Vent Cleaner. We have it linked in our TikTok shop, and right now you get 30% off. It's a TikTok special. Thanks for your interest.